Good morning, friends. Welcome to the Bass Kitchen. Let you know, you need some pepper, right? Some ilachi, lawang, cardamom, cinnamon. Take in sufficient quantity and powder them. And if you have some bay leaf, add some bay leaf powder as well, because it gives a lot of tenderness to the chicken. It brings much essence. You will love the flavor. So look at this, the way I'm marinating it. Marinate it properly. This is the most important task for the chicken to mix properly and the masala to settle into the ghosh. Wow, this is done. Let's keep it set for 5 minutes and let's move to pre-preparation of the bowl. Look at the onions. The onions are chopped very fine. The onions you see over here, the size that it is cut into is like fine onion you see. So when I say it's a fine onion cut, the onion fries properly and within less time and that's the reason I like to chop the onions into finer pieces. So look at the onion now. So do not deep fry the onion, just wait for the onion to turn into a little dark brown color, which is fine. Now it's time to drop the chicken stuff that we have marinated earlier. See this? Wow! Look at that. And just mix it properly. The meat is not so red in color because we didn't use much chili powder in this, since this is kids chicken curry. Just mix the chicken properly. And put it on the sim. Do not flame it high. Put the flame on the very sim. Alright. I'm closing this with the lid now. Let's cook it for 10 minutes and just do the first check. We'll get back after 10 minutes. Well, it's already 10 minutes now. Let's do the first check. Oh, look at the chicken. The fat and the water has come out of the flesh. You see that, right? This is the mixture of fat, water, ghee and everything that you see here, which brings deliciousness to your chicken curry. Just mix it one more time and still keep the flame on the sim, and let's block this with the lid again, and let's come back after 10 minutes as well. Well, I'm just closing the lid again now. Cool. See the flame? That's under sim. Alright, we'll get back after 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's already 10 minutes now. Let's do the second check for the roasted butter chicken. Wow, look at it. Yeah, it's very cool. Just mix it properly once again and just let's close the lid for another 5 minutes. Well guys, the reason we are cooking under low flame is because the content, the stuff that is in the chicken will drop down, and that's bring the deliciousness. Alright, let's check it now once again. Wow, look at that. The butter, the ghee, roasted chicken for kids is ready. Now let's check the tenderness of the chicken. You can see there. Look at the tenderness. Look at that. Isn't it awesome? Yes. Look at the tenderness. That is it. It's all ready now. Well guys, this is the chicken. So this is the butter, ghee or roast chicken, you can say it. You'll surely love it. Your kids will love it for sure. and make sure that you add all the quantities in sufficient and make your curry awesome. Look at this. Alright, thank you very much guys. Please do support our channel, The Boss's Kitchen. Please put your comments, write it. I'll get back to you for sure. Any queries, let me know. Whatever you want. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Signing off. Bye bye.